Hey everybody, it's 123 Mr. B here, and check out my short video on using white space properly in math. And this is a video a lot of people don't think about, but check it out. It's as simple as this. Man's laughter does not equal manslaughter. Now look at this. The components are the same. Man's laughter does not equal manslaughter. This concept layers into math perfectly. If we do not use our white space where it is needed, we can end up cramming things together and getting an entirely different meaning. And that's what I'm trying to get across here. Remember this, man's laughter does not equal manslaughter. Here's an example. Suppose this was an original question, 1/4 plus 1/3, and someone's like, well, 1/4 equals 3/12, 1/3 equals 4/12 equals, and then they just decided to randomly put this here. Everything that's in here is a complete disaster, okay? Yeah, it's true, I get the idea. You have this, and you have this, and I know your LCM is 12, but what you really have here is 1/4 plus 1/3 1/4. Now, if those cloud lines weren't there, what this actually shows is 1/3, no symbol, 1/4. I'm to take that as a multiply or what, right? Equals another 31 over 123 or what? Okay, and it leads us to have a non-clear interpretation of what's actually on the page, okay? And then suddenly you have a bunch of work going this way and this thing magically appears. What is this thing? Does it come from the plus sign? Does it come from this thing? Does it come from this thing? Does it come from a combination of things? This is the problem with having work that's not spaced out properly in math. And what you can remember this by is this. You have to clarify that you're not talking about manslaughter, you're talking about man's laughter, okay? If you do that, your work won't look like this. It'll look clear and crisp as it's shown in the other videos, okay? If you have work where you're just showing it wherever your thoughts go, where there's extra space, you're destined to have a disaster on your page. And if I was your teacher, I'd be marking a lot of wrong on that. Just being straight up, okay? Because you need to be able to express math with the numbers, but also write it down in a clear way. I will show this in a clear way right now, so you have it, okay? How about this? 1/4 plus 1/3. Okay, thought cloud to the side, 1/4 equals 3/12. Clear indication of another idea, 1/3 equals 4/12. Okay, back to our work, equal sign, 3/12 plus 4/12. Clear indication that that's where it's coming from, Plus sign comes down, put them together, 3 plus 4 over 12, bracket, so I know where this thing came from. And then I'm going to put those together, 7/12, box around my answer. It's clear. My thoughts are here, my work is here, and there's white space. There's a little bit of white space in between each line here for these other things like these little brackets and whatnot. Much easier to follow than this. This has no logical properness to it, and it keeps us in line. This does not equal that.